Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a Gmail account. First, we're going to want to go to Gmail. From here, we're going to want to press the little button that says Create Account. We choose the type of account we want to make. Then we enter our name. Now it's time to enter our date of birth. Then it will give us suggestions for our Gmail account. We're going to create a custom Gmail address here. If it's taken, it will tell you and you'll have to try again, like I did here. Then it'll be asked to create a strong password. Then, if we wish, we can add a recovery email. Then we choose if we want to manually set up the account or Express. For this, we've pressed Express. After we've read and confirmed all of these settings, we press that we agree, and it will have that will be your Gmail account created. Thank you for watching.